Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off comments on Instagram. Let's get started. Open Instagram first on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Scroll down to how others can interact with you. Tap on Comments. Tap on Stories under Who Can Comment. Here, there are three options. Tap on Off to disable the story comments. Now no one can comment on your stories. And that is how to turn off comments on Instagram story. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.